teaching, Jenna. You can tell just being in her classroom how much she loves her students and how much she loves to see you succeed and learn so many new things. It's like a light bulb. When a light bulb goes off in your head, it is a joy to Miss George's heart. You can just see her eyes sparkle whenever that happens for you. So just know that you have an incredible teacher in Miss Melissa George, and that is why she is a 2019 LG&E KU WHAS 11 ExCEL Award winner.
Like many of my fellow teachers, becoming a teacher is all I ever wanted to be. I never became a teacher because thinking one day I'd receive this sort of recognition. I became a teacher because I wanted to teach children. I wanted to make a positive impact on a child. I wanted to teach them how to read, teach them how to write, teach them how to get along with others, teach them how to love, accept, appreciate, understand, and care for their fellow classmates. I wanted all of these things. You are the reason I teach. The smiles on your faces, the determination in your eyes, the warmth in your heart will always be the reason I teach. I expect a lot of you because I want you to know that a lot is expected of you. I want you to expect a lot of yourself. I want to give you the tools that you can be the best you can be. I want you to feel special. I want you to believe in yourselves. I want you to believe in your classmates. I want you to believe in me. I want you to believe me when I tell you how very special you are. I want you to believe me when I tell you if you work hard, you can achieve anything. And above all, I want you to believe that you are loved.